Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm featuring my brother's banana fritters. For this recipe I'm using all-purpose flour, ripe bananas, eggs, baking powder, vanilla and salt. Place 1.5 cups of flour in a bowl along with 1 tablespoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Use a whisker to combine those ingredients. Crush the bananas using a fork. You should get 1 cup banana puree. Add the vanilla and 2 beaten eggs. Use a fork to combine those ingredients. Now let's add the flour. Add the flour in 3 parts and use a spoon to combine the flour with the rest of the mixture. Continue doing that until you've used up all of the flour. You should get a soft dropping consistency just like you see here. Heat cooking oil in a saucepan and add the batter in spoonfuls. You may drop any size spoons you want. Cover, turn down the flame to very low, and once it starts browning, flip on the other side and then cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Drain, and now let us look at the texture. It's very spongy, it's very airy, and above all it's very tasty. This can be substituted for pancakes or bread for a delicious breakfast. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.